How to clear ER06 and ER08 alarms on the water chiller. The water chiller is currently showing an ER06 alarm. You can scan the QR code with your phone. ER06 indicates a high temperature water flow alarm. At this point, you need to check whether the high temperature water circuit is blocked or connected incorrectly. Begin troubleshooting. Both circuits seem fine on inspection. Trace along the water pipes. Found that the piping here is kinked. It needs to be straightened. If the alarm is not cleared, turn off the machine and restart it. Then turn it back on. The alarm is cleared. If during operation, the water chiller triggers a 06 or a 08 alarms, at this time clean the filters on both sides of the water chiller. Excessive dust on the filters can seriously affect heat dissipation. First, turn off the machine. Now remove the filters. Lift upwards first, then pull up and out, and it's removed. Blow off the dust with an air gun, or wash it clean with water. After cleaning, reinstall it back. Install the top first, then lower it into place. Similarly, clean the filter on the other side. Lift it upwards, pull it outwards, blow off the dust with an air gun, or wash it clean with water. After cleaning, reinstall it back, install the top first, then lower it into place. That completes the process.